Imagine a storm, thunder rattling your windows, lightning splitting the sky. You're safe inside, but suddenly, a glowing ball of light floats silently into your room. It hovers, a luminous visitor, then vanishes, sometimes with a pop, sometimes with a hiss, sometimes in silence. This isn't science fiction, it's ball lightning, one of nature's most mysterious phenomena. For centuries, people have told stories of these ghostly orbs, leaving scientists to wonder, what are they? We've mapped galaxies and explored the ocean's depths, yet this puzzle remains unsolved right here on Earth. Ball lightning appears without warning, disappears without a trace, and challenges our understanding of physics. Unlike a normal lightning strike, which is over in a flash, ball lightning can linger, drift, and even move against the wind. It's been seen in homes, airplanes, and submarines, by pilots, scientists, and ordinary people alike. The universe isn't obligated to make sense to us, and ball lightning is a perfect example of nature's surprises. Our journey begins with a simple question: what is this thing? To answer it, we'll travel through history, listen to eyewitnesses, and explore the science and theories behind it. We'll see how a glowing ball can push us to the edge of what we know about matter and energy. The story of ball lightning is a detective story, where the storm is the crime scene, and the culprit is a force of nature. We, the detectives, are armed with curiosity and the scientific method. What makes this glowing sphere so captivating? Its unpredictable behavior. Ball lightning is a fleeting ghost, a phantom made of light that dances on the edge of our knowledge. The quest to understand it is a journey into the heart of nature's most creative forces. Even in our modern world, profound mysteries remain. Let's unravel the mystery of the ghost in the storm. So, what exactly is ball lightning? It's a glowing spherical object, usually seen during or after a thunderstorm. Its size varies, from golf ball to beach ball, and its color can be white, yellow, orange, red, or blue. Unlike regular lightning, ball lightning is calm, slow, and persistent, lasting several seconds or even a minute. Witnesses say it floats, hovers, and sometimes moves against the wind. It's been reported to pass through solid objects like walls and windows without damage. Sometimes it's silent, other times it hisses or pops. Its disappearance is unpredictable, fading away or ending with a bang. Ball lightning is a natural phenomenon, an event we observe but don't fully understand. It's often described as an orb, a self-contained ball of light that produces luminescence without much heat. Many witnesses say it didn't feel warm, even up close. This adds to the puzzle. How can something glow so brightly without being hot? The characteristics of ball lightning are inconsistent. Size, color, and behavior vary widely. This variety makes it hard to define and even harder to explain. If it were always the same, science could pin it down easily. But nature is rarely simple. Each sighting is a new clue, making the overall picture more complex and more fascinating. Ball lightning is a wild animal of the storm, always surprising. The most compelling evidence for ball lightning comes from those who've seen it firsthand. One famous account: a pilot sees a glowing orb appear in his airplane cockpit, float down the aisle, and vanish. The crew, experienced professionals, reported what they saw, making this a credible case. Another common story: during a thunderstorm, a ball of light drifts into a kitchen, hovers, then disappears with a bang, leaving a sulfurous smell. Sometimes ball lightning is frightening, rolling across floors, exploding televisions, or striking trees and leaving scars. These stories show ball lightning can be both ghostly and destructive. It seems to have energy, but its nature is unknown. Because ball lightning is rare and unpredictable, scientists rely on these eyewitness accounts. Thousands of stories from around the world reveal patterns. Most sightings happen during storms. The ball is usually spherical, and it lasts a few seconds. These patterns convince scientists that ball lightning is real, not just a hallucination or trick of the light. Eyewitness stories turned a myth into a scientific mystery. They're crucial clues in the search for answers. Without them, ball lightning might have remained folklore. Instead, they've inspired generations of researchers. The stories are the foundation of the mystery. Scientists have proposed many theories to explain ball lightning. One leading idea: the vaporized silicon theory. When lightning strikes the ground, it vaporizes silicon in the soil, creating a cloud of glowing particles. These particles react with air, releasing energy, and forming a floating luminous ball. Lab experiments have recreated small glowing balls using vaporized silicon, supporting this theory. Another theory: ball lightning is a form of plasma, a superheated, electrically charged gas. But plasma is usually too hot and unstable to last as long as ball lightning does. A third idea: microwaves generated by thunderstorms create a pocket of energy trapped inside a plasma sphere. This could explain how ball lightning passes through glass, since microwaves can penetrate it. Each theory explains some features, but none fits all the evidence. The quest continues, with each experiment bringing us closer. Ball lightning remains a puzzle, one that challenges our understanding of nature. The search for answers is ongoing. Ball lightning's mystery stretches back centuries. In 1638, a ball of fire entered an English church during a storm, causing panic, injuries, and even deaths. Sailors at sea reported glowing orbs rolling across ship decks during storms, legends that blurred with St. Elmo's fire. But some accounts match ball lightning. Even royalty witnessed it. Tsar Nicholas II described a fiery ball flying through a church during his childhood. These historical accounts are more than spooky stories. They're data. They show ball lightning isn't a modern invention. Old records reveal consistent descriptions across centuries and cultures. A ball of fire in a 17th century church behaves like a glowing orb in a modern airplane. This consistency is powerful evidence. It proves ball lightning is a genuine, repeating natural event. The phenomenon has fascinated humanity for generations. Its legend endures because the mystery remains. Ball lightning is rare and unpredictable, making it nearly impossible to study on demand. It appears during dangerous thunderstorms, often only once in 1,000 storms. Its brief lifespan, just a few seconds, means it's usually gone before anyone can record it. Even in the age of smartphones, clear photos or videos are scarce. Most evidence comes from eyewitnesses, which is hard to verify scientifically. Thunderstorms are hazardous, making field research risky. Powerful electrical fields can also disrupt scientific instruments. The very conditions that create ball lightning make it hard to study. Without a single accepted theory, scientists don't always know what to look for. Each theory requires different evidence and tools. A confirmed scientific observation would be revolutionary. For years, ball lightning research relied on stories and lab experiments until 2012. In China, scientists studying regular lightning captured a glowing ball on video and with a spectrometer. The ball, about 5 meters wide, floated for just over a second before vanishing. For the first time, we had scientific data from a real event. The spectrometer revealed the ball's light contained silicon, iron, and calcium, the main elements in soil. This strongly supported the vaporized silicon theory. The data fit the theory almost perfectly, moving ball lightning from speculation to evidence-based science. The 2012 sighting was a turning point. It proved ball lightning is real and gave scientists a solid foundation for further research. However, it didn't solve every mystery. Smaller orbs and longer-lasting sightings remain unexplained. There may be more than one type of ball lightning, but this event marked a huge leap forward. The ghost in the storm was finally caught on camera. Ball lightning is just one of many mysterious atmospheric light shows. These are called transient luminous events, or TLEs, brief, strange flashes high above thunderstorms. Sprites, elves, and blue jets are some of the most spectacular. Sprites are massive, faint red flashes that look like glowing jellyfish above storms. Blue jets shoot cones of blue light upward from thunderclouds. Elves are expanding rings of light triggered by lightning's electromagnetic pulse. These phenomena show that thunderstorms are far more complex than we once thought. The discovery of sprites and elves proved rare events can be real. This gives hope to ball lightning researchers. With better technology, we may soon solve the puzzle of the glowing orbs. Is ball lightning still a mystery? Yes, and no. The vaporized silicon theory has strong evidence, moving ball lightning from myth to science. But many questions remain. How does it pass through glass? How does it appear in airplanes or submarines? Why do some orbs last a minute or more? Ball lightning may not be a single phenomenon, perhaps it's several, all sharing a glowing form. This enduring mystery fascinates us because it represents the unknown. In a world of answers, ball lightning reminds us nature still holds secrets. The quest to understand it is about more than weather. It's about curiosity and discovery. Science begins with strange stories, builds theories, tests them, and waits for that lucky observation. The journey isn't over. Scientists will keep chasing these fiery orbs, hoping for another glimpse, and we'll keep watching the skies, wondering if we'll be the next to witness the beautiful silent dance of ball lightning. The mystery endures, sparking imagination and inspiring science. The ghost in the storm still waits to be fully understood.